Hey, what's going on, guys? Antonio here with another Ford Police Interceptor how-to video. Ladies and gentlemen, if your spotlights ain't working and you got no power, let me show you how to fix it. All right, so we're working on a 2017 PIU. Spotlights have no power. A few things that you need to check before, okay? No power meaning to me is that there is no power to the actual spotlight from the inside. Okay, so it has power now because I fixed it, but you put a power probe on it and you're able to check the power on it. Okay, and it's like that, it's dead, right? And that wire, it's a black wire that connects to that thing you see right there, the little pigtail that's right there by my finger. That's where it goes. Okay, so what you do if you have no power there, okay, a lot of the times you got to check the wire. So you got to check the wire. It's a orange red wire that comes all the way down here, okay, and you'll see it. It's usually a big mess, right? You have to remove this panel. It's right here. That one right there. So it's like a yellow, red, right, wire. That's the one that feeds the spotlight. So sometimes what they do is they cut here. They'll cut, and that's how they disable power, right? But in this situation, you know, we have no power here. So, and you check the opposite side and there's no power. And when that happens, guys, and most times when you have no power in one whole circuit, it's your fuses. Okay, so on the Interceptor PIU, okay, it is going to be fuse number, drum roll, fuse number 98. Okay, 98 right there. Okay, so fuse number 98, which was this one right here, there was no fuse here. Okay, at the fuse, check for power, voila, right, done skis. You got power now, right? Now reconnect everything you have to connect. Connect your spotlights, but this is very important step, guys. Fuse number 98. If you have no power to your spotlights and if they are wired, check fuse number 98, right? If you have power, you have fuse, you have power, okay, you want to check again your wires. Okay, make sure that wire there is connected to the actual spotlight. Okay, sometimes what they do is they'll splice, they'll block that one, and they'll connect another wire that goes to the actual to the control bar, right, or to the control center, right, and that's what turns on the spots, right? So do that. And remember, a lot of the times, guys, it also can happen if your spotlights are not positioned correctly. Okay, again, guys, if they're not positioned correctly, if you don't have the correct ground in here, okay, then you're not gonna get power, okay, and your spotlights are not gonna turn on. So make sure that your handle, okay, is positioned the right way. This handle here needs to get removed because I could already tell this handle should not be in this position. It needs to be in the opposite position. And so I'll adjust that. And so if this is fine, and if last thing would be to check your actual spotlight itself. Check your light bulb, make sure your connectors are right. Okay, on this one here, it is right, but this light bulb for me is trash. It's really dirty and it's already cracking, so we'll go ahead and put some new ones on it. But yes, guys, that is how you diagnose and check and potentially, right, because all situations are different, your spotlights. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a beautiful rest of the day. Stay tuned for more police interceptor how-to videos.